Evening. Tight lads if you've been out. I'm on 3 blanks now. I've just finished loading up. All loaded up for the Trent. I haven't forgot the pillar this time. A couple of rods. Everything else. That's for tomorrow. So, yeah. That's coming on lovely, that is, mate. Yeah. Double meat this time, so it should be plenty in there. As soon as she's in, she's going to do the dumplings, so I'll leave that. Right, the missus is home and she's done the dumplings. There's 3 each. Morning, time's come, all packed up the hilt. That's it, all ready for the Trent. There's only 2 of us going this time, but if you're out yourself, tight lines, good luck. I hope you get a few. I'll update any fish. So that. Good morning again. I'm here. So I'm through that first gate. Just opened the second gate. And here we have it. This is a Foxcovert Paddock, and this is peg 1. So Aiden's on his way. Somebody's dumped the ground bait. Anyway, this looks wonderful. It's tidal fish. The fish topping all over here. See that? A lot of activity. There's a boat. There's Jim of the owner. Aiden's going to cast in shortly. He's getting locked. There's only 3 of us. There's a guy called Lee. Just turned up, he's on peg 5 at the end. Aiden's 2. Right. Aiden's managed to get us some hardened hook baits, which is Arctic crab and Red Sea squid. I've stuck on the Red Sea squid with some hemp and breadcrumb. I've stuck a bit of garlic spam on that one. I must have about 2 kilo of hemp and the ground bait made up. So I'm going to get cast in now. Lovely little paddock this, parked here. I'm going to set the bivvy up there. Aiden's next door. So yeah, the rods are going in. In there. Time to set the bibby and stuff up. Just got them bite lambs off Aiden, so I'll start organising this. And hopefully something will happen daytime. Fingers crossed. Well, there's a view from down here, and it's a surprising 12.6 the water temperature. Keep my eye on that. Right, it's just gone 12, 12:05. The tide's turned already, starting to go back down now, so a second cast. I've spotted a few bombs of hemp and crumb and pellets out. Right, glugged up sea squid. Right. Kettle on. Kettle's boiling. There you go. A cup of tea. Coffee for Eden. And that's a view. Bang on. Come on, fish. Aiden's come for his coffee. And I'll be bacon and cheese flatbread. The fish would be nice. Beds up like a TARDIS in there, massive. Really pleased with this, like. Yeah, it was a good buy. Bone dry. Heavy duty ground seed in a capsule, a lot. Great stuff. Time's 5 to 2. Aiden's already on the on the tinnies.
Quick, didn't it? It was about 4 or 5 bleeps, that wasn't it? I thought you were away then.
Yeah. Time being 5 to 4. That could be Guinness time. Right. Just put the night lights on. Glug new bait up. Not much daylight left, and it's now it's coming up to 20 to 5. Pour a cold one out. Aiden's got his burner set up here. That's gonna be amazing, that the heat that throws out. Very nice. Just need a fish now. Enjoy this one. Cheers, Ed.
Cheers, mate.
Right, cold beer and a cosy log burner. The alarm's just gone off, and I've got it there. I've got a nice bream, so I'll get him unhooked. There's a nice first fish, the bream. That'll do as a bite. There you go. Thank you, Mr. Bream. How nice is that? Got a cold Guinness, a blazing fire. We just had a nice bream in. Fireworks going off in the background. Aiden's gone for another beer. Just need a bonfire night barbel. That'll do us. Beautiful. Right, other than a nice bream, we've not moved. That fire is amazing. Nice cold beer. Aiden's just recasting his rods, and the bonus is beef stew and dumplings. That'll be ready very shortly. Oh my word. There's our bowls, there's our beer. There we go. Food's ready. Beef stew and dumplings. It's a bit hot like, but what else do you want? Log fire, stew and dumplings, just need a barbel. It's almost 9:20. Butter's up 2-0, stew's done. Cast back in, rebait.
I'm away.
You in?
Yeah.
Good, good. One sec. Let's have a look. You're hitting. Had to come, didn't it?
I've just casted that out. I turned round to walk over and bring the rod in, and it screamed off.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant.
A minute, 10 seconds later.
Brilliant, mate, brilliant. I don't say I feel like a good one, but if it's a fish, it's a fish.
I don't know what it feels like. It hasn't done a mad run, it could be a carp.
Oh, you know what? That'd be a bonus. Nice little bend in that rod, mate.
I don't think it's a small one.
Yeah. Cornade. This will be massive. I've got a barbel. I'll just stay there, mate. I'll leave you.
Oh, it's got me other rod.
Oh, it's the other line.
Just net it.
Right, okay, mate. I'll sort that out there.
Good than that. That's a big barbel.
It's beautiful.
You got him?
Yep, got him. Sort your feeder out. Ooh. Tell you what, mate, that's a beauty. How thick's that?
Oh, he's a belter.
It's a nice double, isn't it?
You what? That's this. That's 15 pound. That's 15 plus that.
Well done, Sylvie boy. Oh, brilliant,
Oh,
brilliant.
it's a belter that. Right.
Oh,
anyway,
dear.
We'll get back to him.
That is superb. I'm gonna get... Wait 1 sec. I'll try it with that. Beautiful that. Back onto my rod, please. Beautiful. Worth coming for. And away, mate. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lost it. Bastard. believe that. Nice bream. More picture. Right. That's all ready to go now. There we go. Give us a break. Oh dear, back to bed. Another snapped hook link down. That's two. Right, this one back out. Right, back to bed. That's two. That's two snapped and one slimy bream. Right, back to bed again, eh? Change back three. This one that's going off. we go. Let it go. There we go. And the weight. At past 3. Charming. Barbel Bream.